Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna talk about Turkiye E-Visa, Turkish E-Visa. When you search on Google, you might find a lot of different results like Turkiye E-Visa net, Turkiye E-Visa org TR, which is look very original, but all of them are not official websites. So you scroll down, and you go to this evisa.gov.tr, which is government URL. So when you land to this page, sometimes it might load slow, even though you have a better internet speed, good internet speed. But you land to this page, okay, here it says steps, apply, make a payment, and download your visa. And you can get this visa under 5 minutes. It's not a big deal. So as an Azerbaijan citizen, I don't need to apply visa for Turkey. I don't need to even use passport to go to Turkey. I can go with the ID card, national ID card. So in this video, I'm gonna pretend that I'm Pakistan citizen and I will apply as a Pakistan citizen, okay? I just click this apply now button. When I searched on the YouTube, to be honest, I found like different videos made by Indians, made by Pakistanis, but most of these people, they use like unofficial websites, which will cost you higher than usual price. And also I tried like this website, EVisa or TR, and it take me to this page. You can see like I need to insurance, blah, blah, blah, blah, but it's like a total bullshit. Sorry about this, but total bullshit. You don't need to do all these steps. So this EVisa actually a little bit tricky because when you apply a visa, Turkish government asks you if you apply as an Indian or Pakistani or Bangladesh or from somewhere from the central or not central, South Asia, let's say. They might ask you to have your valid Schengen visa, Irish visa, or US visa. So I'm gonna apply as a Pakistan citizen, as I said. Okay, I apply. When you land to this page, a visa or gov.tr and apply, English apply, and then you will select the visa type. You can choose airport transit visa or electronic visa. I choose electronic visa in this case. And then here you choose your passport. The website is not properly functional, but you should select, remove, and then type here Pakistan, for example, or you can type India or let's say Bangladesh or whatever country you are coming from. But make sure that you need a visa because most of the countries, when they come to Turkey, they don't need visa. I can show you that list as well. A visa required requests. I think it was this URL, not this one. Which countries eligible for a visa Turkey. So you will see who is eligible for Turkish visa. You will see list of countries. If you are coming from these countries, you can say Afghanistan, Armenia, Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, etc., etc. You need to apply a visa for Turkey. If you are not coming from here, most probably you don't need visa, or you need to get visa in embassy. Just make sure, Google it. You can find the result. I will drop this link on the video as well. EVisa gov.tr, who is eligible for a visa, blah, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, let's go back to the official website. I choose Pakistan, I choose ordinary passport, and then I put the security code here to MRN80. Save and continue. Okay, not valid. Let's say ZK5FE2. Save and continue. Hopefully it will work. Yeah, it works. Okay. So you choose your arrival date. Today is January 29. Let's say I'm choosing 30 January 2025. And then it allow me to travel in in Turkey 30 days during this 90 days, 180 days period. Basically, the visa will be eligible for you to come to Turkey next 6 months from the date that you apply, the date that you arrive, but you can stay in that 6 month. You can stay only 1 month, 30 days in the Turkey and travel around. And visa is single entry and it will cost 60 USD, including the 6 USD, the VAT tax. Okay, and there is a multiple payment methods. I click save and continue. All details looks fine. Here I choose this. Okay, I'm traveling for purpose of tourism or business. Yeah, you might go to Turkey for business as well with this visa. And then I can prove that return ticket and at least hotel reservation for $50 per day for your stay. Yeah, if you book like expensive hotels like Marriott, etc., which is higher than 50 USD per day, you can upload that reservation or ticket to this website. I mean, not here. Actually, they don't require you to upload here, but you need to show when you arrive to the Turkish border, across the immigration, or if you need to also provide the return ticket. For this return ticket, if you don't know, like you will leave in 1 month or let's say in 20 days, you're not sure about that, or you don't know you will go back to your country, or maybe from Turkey you will apply another country visa, let's say Schengen visa, and you will go to Schengen visa, the Schengen countries again, or maybe Bulgaria or somewhere else. So in this case, I recommend you to book your ticket from TiketVisa. I mean your return ticket. In this case, I recommend you to book your return ticket from TiketVisa, and it will cost you just 9 USD. And you can use this ticket to show to the Turkish immigration, and they will allow you to enter country. So let's keep continue. So here they say you need to have a supporting document. They will ask you document number. So basically, supporting document need to be a valid visa or valid residence permit from one of these Schengen countries, or US or UK or Ireland. E-Visa, if you have a visa for Turkey, the Schengen countries or UK, USA or Ireland, it's not allowed. It should be proper visa on your passport, basically, sticker visa. So I click OK, and then my passport covers the period that I stay, basically the 1 month that you will stay or the next 6 months that you will travel in Turkey. Your passport need to be valid more than 6 months, so you can enter to Turkey. And then I confirm that I meet all these conditions, and I click save and continue. It takes me to this page. And then here I enter my details. I put my name, last name. I choose like birthday. Let's choose my birthday. Let's say, where is my, I'm already dinosaur. Okay, 95. Let's say July. I choose random date, place of birth. I choose Islamabad because I apply as a Pakistan citizen, let's say. About mother's name, let's say, uh, uh, you just fill out this. I put random information here, passport number. Okay. And then passport date of issue. Make sure that you have 5 or 10 years passport, because it will be more useful for you. In this case, let's say I'm entering data here from random passport data again. In this case, I add here 10 years passport information. Let's say it was 20, let's say 19, so it will be 10 years. And then your visa or residence permit you should choose. Let's say in this case I choose visa and then Schengen visa. Here I googled it. I put some. I take some Bulgarian Schengen visa. I will put this visa detail here, okay? Because I don't want to enter my own Schengen visa information. I will just enter this BG071. But you should enter your proper visa because they will check it. BG071 and then 9183. 9183. And then supporting document start date. It should be on the picture as well. Let's say 020710. Okay, I put here It's 02. Let's go back to 1 year ago. Okay, 02. Not here, sorry. Let's put here, I put here September, let's say 10 September 2024. I will put 1 year. So let's say here 10 September again, 2025. Email address, you should put your email address because they will send you the link to approve and pay. So here I put the hi at TiketVisa.com. Phone number, it should be your phone number from your country. I put here +92 300. I Google it how the Pakistani number look like. 2 3 4 5 6 7. And then here address, I found one address, Islamabad. Let's say I choose this address. There's one school, it's temporarily closed, I think. So I will just use that school address. So let's say I copy this and then I input this. This address basically is the address that locates in your country, where you live basically. Madrasko Street, blah, blah, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you can continue with this. I recommend you to remove this part, or you can again continue with this. It's not a big deal. And then here we have, I read, okay. I just close X and then save and continue. Let me see, everything is fine. Okay, let me type my name again manually. So later on, it doesn't give me error. Okay, save and continue. Okay, check, verify. Sometimes you can see it gives error because you use this in the address field. So you need to come back and fill out. So I want to show you this error. That's why I just keep continue. I know that there will be error, but yeah, I want to keep coming here to show you. Let's say again, I put here the detail. So I will just fill out again the same things. So 2024 September, let's say 10. Expire 2025 September 10. This is my valid visa from this, let's say, sorry, this is passport issuing date. Let me go back, sorry. I just realized. I choose 2017, October 10, 2027, October 9, I should choose, so it becomes like 10 years. And then the visa, 2024, September 10, 2025, September 10. Let's say I have 1 year visa from Bulgaria, Schengen area, which is Schengen zone. So here you see this G-7, blah, blah, minus again. This minus shouldn't be here. I understand in Pakistan or India, you might have an address with the minus, or instead you just keep it and letter and number together, or just keep it separately. Like for example, here we have space. I put this space. It doesn't, actually you can see it accepts this slash. You can see when you click here, but in this case, I just click here, so I don't get the issue, So it doesn't become like horrible story to fill out these details. Verify. As you can see, it's verified and it starts to send me email. I land to my email. Let me check. As you can see, I get my Turkish E-Visa verification. Okay. Verify email address. This is my visa application number, which is totally fake details that I enter. So you can check this on the system as well. Reference number, blah, blah, blah, blah. I click approve. And then here it says your data being verified. So you need to pay $67.95, which is $1.95 is processing fee. So $60 plus $6 plus $1.95. Okay, fine. Yeah, you enter your card details, or if you pay with the Union Pay or any other payment method, you just choose them and then click make a payment. And right after that, you will get your visa to your email address. That is how easy to apply Turkish E-Visa. So I think I don't need to explain about the Turkey. Most probably all around the people, everyone know about the Turkey with with local name Turkiye. It is best destination to visit if you want to see the um, snow in the mountains in the winter time, and you can after mountains you can come down to the south part of Turkey and you can swim in the beach, enjoy from the life. And I recommend you to visit Istanbul, Antalya, Ankara, İzmir, Eskişehir, all these best destinations, best cities in the Turkey. And if you are willing to see history, Istanbul and East Turkey, Diyarbakır, Urfa, all these cities are the best destinations for seeing history and realities of, uh, I cannot say Middle East, mix of Middle East and Europe. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice, perfect day for you.